Hello and welcome to another video. It is the official 1 trillion Bitcoin day today. The whole market cap as a whole is at 1.6 trillion. Bitcoin itself is a 1 trillion on its own asset class, which is absolutely phenomenal. And I just thought I'd take a second out of my day. It's a Saturday here in Australia. I'm at the workshop. It's super humid in summer here in Australia, and I'm super excited. I'm super freaking pumped that everything is moving so quickly. We've seen 55,000 USD on the BTC price side. ETH is continually moving itself up at the 2,500 Australian mark, about 1,800 US mark, and we're getting single and double digits and even triple digit gains in the space of like a week to 2 weeks with a lot of the different alts. The correction that happened just the other week happened really quickly. 2 days, everything corrected, and there was a massive sea of red, but then it came back, and BTC's just, taking over the world. It's freaking exciting. So I've got a few messages. It's been a couple of weeks since you've been doing videos. What's been going on? I've just been so busy. I haven't actually had time to shoot something, edit something, and upload it. So given it's a Saturday, I'm actually here with my son. He's just cleaning a customer's car. What are you doing?
I'm going over the wheels before.
Wow, they look terrible.
Yeah.
Awesome. I got to change injectors on Larry, which I'll do this afternoon, and I've been working on getting this thing street ready. We bought a body kit for it, didn't quite fit, so we're going to get another body kit for it. And then there's another little project that's going on. This is getting cleaned down. This is a GE 2JZ block with about 270,000 Ks on it. It's getting pulled down, fully forged, and turned into one of the race motors, which is either going to go into Larry or one of the other race cars. That's one of the projects that's going on. This is another project that's going on. From the outside, looks like a very nice car. Super nice. M2 competition. 4,100 Ks. Oh, what happened here? And then the bad stuff happened. So I've just spent a few hours pulling all of that off. I didn't actually film it because it's just easier to not. It's had a hit. The rail there is slightly bent, and then that one's obviously very bent. So I've ordered a bunch of parts for this. This is going to turn into a sort of time attack and or drift chassis. These engines produce anywhere from 500 to about 700 horsepower, or close to 700 horsepower on the stock turbos. Throw turbos on it, fix the crank hub spinning issue, and you can get anywhere from kind of 700 to 1,000 horsepower out of these things, which is just crazy. Completely stock engine. Bought this bonnet off a friend of mine. Mitch, if you're watching, you're probably not, but thank you for the bonnet. And then it's going to go off to the frame shop that specializes in BMW chassis down in Tarrant Point, and they're going to lob some of this off, pull this back out. I've got to pull the whole motor out first before that happens, but yeah, it is going to be a fun little track weapon. I don't know if you can see it because I think the battery's off, but yeah, it's quite sad to see a car, $120,000 car like this, with less than 4,000 kilometers on the clock, completely destroyed. Remember, people, if you can't handle the power, don't turn traction control off. All right. Yeah, I'll probably just leave that blooper in there, but 3 times now, three, I've gone to hit record or unpause on the video, and my son's just like zzz, on the journey, like the same second. Couldn't have timed it better. Good work, Sevi. So yeah, you can probably also see there's an M2 there. There's another motor in the back, so we've been collecting spares for that. We know that it's gonna probably break a lot going to the track. There's also another M2 coming this week. So 3 M2s, 3 S15s, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, a lot of fun at the workshop. So yeah, to recap again, congratulations. It's phenomenal. You can tell I'm tired. I've been working on the cars for the last couple of hours, covered in sweat, in this humidity, And I'm super pumped for all of you. Like for those of you who bought BTC when I was saying buy it around the $5,000 mark, customers of mine that have been subscribed for multiple years, you would have seen we didn't call the bottom. We called pretty close to it, around the $3,800 mark US, around 5,000 Australian dollars. And also ETH, we called pretty close to the bottom as well, around $120 US, 180 Australian. So if you haven't actually gone and checked out the website, keystofreedom.com, it's an education program where we teach you about cryptocurrencies, on when to buy, when to sell, and all that sort of thing. Not financial advice, of course. Yeah, I'm going to get back to it. It's been fun making this video. I'm going to aim to be doing more regular videos this coming week and schedule it into my busy days and keep you guys updated. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's a nice refresher and reminder for those of you who bought early. For those of you who didn't buy early, it doesn't mean you've missed out. There's still incredible opportunities. One of my picks earlier in January, in around 3 weeks, has done about a 12x. So yeah, putting $500 into that turns into about $8,000. And I believe that there's going to be lots more of these opportunities in the next coming weeks and or months. So yeah, if you're interested in learning more about that, click one of the links below and or shoot me a message on Instagram or Facebook. So that's it from me. As always, like, subscribe, share. Appreciate all the comments, and I've got an update coming for the 100K giveaway. I'm pretty sure that's at about $2,500. It's only been a month, and it's gone from 1,000 to 2.5, maybe even more, because Raven has just done, incredible things in the last few days. I think it's up close to 100% just today. So yeah, there'll be an update in the first of the month. That's going really strong. All the people that commented, I think it got 160 odd comments deep and around 200 likes, and it's almost at 10,000 views, which is fantastic. So keep up the good work on that, sharing stuff around. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.